Good morning, children. We'll be starting today exercise 3.6. Children, here we are going to reduce the given equation in simple equation. Since it is given to us, variables are given to us in the denominator and we have to bring it in the numerator by putting it some other value or some other variable. Alright, you can see here 1 by x is in the denominator. Here 1 by y, 1 by x. So let 1 by x equals to p and 1 by y is equals to q. You can take any other variable u, v, st, rs like this. And you can see the denominators. So to make it simple equation, let us multiply with the LCM of the denominators. What is the LCM of the denominator over here? 2 and 3 ka LCM is 6. So multiply the whole equation by 6 to make it simple. Here also by 6. Here also 3 and 2. So our equation changes to 6 upon 2p, that is 3p. 6 upon 3q, that is 2q. 6 into 2, 12. Mark it equation 1. Here 6 by 3 into p, so 2p. Here 6 by 2 into q, that is 3q. 13 by 6 into 6, 6 will go, you are left with 13. Equation second. Now you can apply cross multiplication. Since the constants are out of the equals to, or you can say just right hand side, so you will be taking here minus 1. Sorry, we have taken here p and q. So here you write 2, 3, 12, 13. Then 3, 2. Again 2, 3. This way we have to do it. Okay? So p upon 2 into 13 will give you 26. 3 into 12 minus 36. Q upon 12 twos are 24 minus 39 minus 1 upon 3 threes are 9 minus 2 twos are 4. So p upon minus 12, q upon minus 15 minus 1 upon 5. You can simplify it. How can you simplify? Divided by minus 1. Okay. And here we are getting 10. So divided by minus 5. 2 q upon 3 and this is 1 upon 1. Equate p by 2 here and q by 3 equals to 1 by 1. You will be getting very simple values. P equals to 2 and q is equals to 3. अब हमने p और q लिया क्या था 1 बाय x, तो p की जगह 1 बाय x लिखिए और ये 2 आया. q की जगह 1 बाय y और ये 3. यानी x की वैल्यू क्या होगी, इसका रेसिप्रोकल ले लीजिए, 1/x का रेसिप्रोकल x/1 और 2/1 का रेसिप्रोकल 1/2. Similarly here, you can put the values and check. Here x is 1/2. If you put here, so 2/2, 1, 3/3, 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So our answers are correct. Now I'll do the next one. Upon root x 3 upon root y equals to 2. 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y equals to minus 1. Again you will be letting it, children will be simplifying it, this and this. Okay, so let 1 upon root x is equals to p and 1 upon root y is equals to q. So equation you will be getting 2p 3q is equals to 2. Here 4p minus 9q is equals to minus 12. By cross multiplication again, children, you can do any method. I love this method, so I go for cross multiplication. P q minus 1, 3 minus 9, 2 minus 1, 2, 4, 3 minus 9. P upon minus 3 minus of minus 18. Q upon 2 4s are 8 minus minus 2 minus 1 upon minus 18. I hope children you are getting me, since you have practiced a lot. So minus 3 plus 18, that is p by 15. Here q upon 8 plus 2, so q upon 10. Here minus 1 upon minus 30, that is 1 upon 30. And if you simplify, divide by 5, p upon 3, q upon 2, and this is 1 upon 6. On equating, p by 3 is equals to 1 by 6, q by 2 is equals to 1 by 6. P you will be getting 3 by 6, that is 1 upon 2. Q is equals to 2 by 6, that is 1 upon 3. Now what is P here? 1 upon root x is equals to 1 upon 2, and here 1 upon root y is equals to 1 upon 3. Now we have to solve it further. See children, I am doing it here. If you see here, take reciprocal, so you will be getting root x is equals to 2. On squaring both sides, x is equals to 4, and root y is equals to 3. अब जब आप रेसिप्रोकल लोगे तो रूट y 3 के इक्वल आएगा. On squaring, y is equals to 9. Now next, third one, you can see 4 by x. And here 3y. So 1 by x is in the denominator, x is in the denominator. So you let some other variable for 1 by x. Let 1 by x is equals to p. So equation becomes 4p plus 3y equals to 14. 3p minus 4y equals to 23. Okay beta, that by cross multiplication here p y minus 1, 3 minus 4, 14, 23, and here 4, 3, 3 minus 4. So p upon 23 into 3 will give you 69 minus 14 4s are 56, and minus is there because minus 4 into, then y upon 14 3s are 42 minus 23 4s are 92, then minus 1 upon minus 16 minus 9. Now let us simplify it, children. P upon 69 plus 56, that is p upon 5, 1 to 5, and here y upon 0, and then 50, minus is coming, and minus 1 upon minus 25. Here minus minus will go 25. Divide the whole equation by 25. 5 p upon 25, y upon minus 2, 1 upon 1. p की वैल्यू यदि हम रखते हैं on equating, let us equate, children. वेट 25 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो कितना आएगा, 5 आएगा चिल्ड्रन, सॉरी 5 आएगा, और ये y अपॉन माइनस 2, 1 अपॉन 1, तो p इज इक्वल्स टू 5 आया, y इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 2. अब p की वैल्यू आ गई 5. p क्या था, 1 अपॉन एक्स, तो 1 अपॉन एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू 5, यानी x की वैल्यू 1 अपॉन 5 आई. चेक कर लेते हैं ये दोनों आंसर सही हैं कि नहीं. ये 4 अपॉन एक्स है, तो 4 अपॉन 1 अपॉन 5 प्लस 3 इंटू माइनस 2, 4 अपॉन 1 अपॉन 5 कितना आएगा 20, और ये माइनस 6 कितना आया 14. हाँ 14 है RHS में, यानी हमारा आंसर बिल्कुल सही है.